Hello, I'm in a 2017 Subaru Outback, and today I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So from the driver's hood here, we'll go down and we should see this release lever. So we'll pull this, and that should release the hood safety. And if there's no tension, double check that this cable back here, you can see it. I don't know if it's zooming right. There's a cable there. Make sure that's attached. And this hood should be slightly loose now, so we can reach our fingers in. So this lever we're going to push and lift. So push and lift. It's got these nice hydraulics that hopefully are holding it up for you. This is what that lever looked like I was pulling, pushing. Make sure that nothing's bent or broken. There's no debris in here that needs cleaned up. If it's sticking a lot, maybe try some WD-40 to loosen it. And then up here you can see it was hooked onto. Again, make sure nothing's bent. And also make sure your hood's in proper alignment, because if it's crooked, that could also cause issues. But I hope this is helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.